We'll guide you through how to add an end screen on a YouTube video. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. End screens are a really great feature on YouTube. So what's going to happen is that within the last 20 seconds of a YouTube video, different videos can appear, playlists can appear, channels can go and appear, your own channel can go and appear, and it's a great way of encouraging people to go and do something. For example, watch another one of your videos, go and check out your channel and subscribe, go and check out a different channel as well. So we're going to guide you through this step by step on how you can go and add them. So you can do this while you're uploading a video and also videos already uploaded. We are going to be focusing on doing this to videos that have already been uploaded. So what we're going to do here is come to the top right of YouTube and go and press your profile icon and come to the YouTube studio, just like so. So here you can go and manage your channel. You probably come here a lot. Then you want to come to content to the left and we can then go and see our videos here. So find the video you want to go and add the end screen to, and you can go and click on it like so. Now what you need to do is you need to come down on the right and you're going to find the option for end screen. And then what you need to do is go and click on it. And now we can go and get started. So you can actually go and import them from another video, but in this case, we'll just go and add them. So you're going to go and see some different templates here as well, but we're going to go and do this custom. So you can go and press element. First of all, you've got the option for video, so you can click there. So when you add a video, you can go and choose your most recent one, best for viewer. So that's going to allow YouTube to select the best one for them or choose a specific one. For example, if you reference a certain video. And at the top here as well, you can also go and choose the time. By default, it's going to be the max time. And you can also go and adjust that at the bottom here as well. If you click choose specific video, then you can go and browse your videos here as well. And you can search videos from other channels as well, which is cool. We'll just do best for viewer, and then you can choose who you want it to be. And you can also go and resize it by clicking, holding, and dragging those points and clicking, holding the entire thing. Then to go and add another, press element in the top left. And now what you could do is you could go and add in a playlist. So you can click here and choose a playlist you may want to add. And it'll then go and appear there, as you can see. I'll delete that. I don't want to have it, but that's how it can be done. Let's go and press element again. And you can go and add in subscribe. So this is your channel here. You can see your profile icon. And when someone hovers it, they'll go and see a subscribe button. And you can choose if you want to go and have the hover card outline, which I will. We could put that over there, for example. And once again, you can go and adjust the length of time it's on the video. At the bottom here, we'll go and press element again in the top left. And you can also go and press channel as well, which is cool. So you can go and choose a channel. So I could go and type in GuideRealm. So for example, maybe GuideRealm was mentioned in the channel. We could then go and select it. And there it is, as you can see. I could go and type in check out like that. And that's pretty cool as well. And you can go and click, hold, and drag to where you want it to go and be on here, which is really cool. Then when you're finished, you can go and press save in the top right and it'll go and save, and that'll be it. So now just to go and show you how it looks, we can come to the video, and then in the last 20 seconds, I'll go and skip there. You're going to go and see they then go and appear. So we've got the video there, then you've got your channel, and you've got another channel that we went and added. So it's really cool. So we can come back here. Once again, you can make further edits to the end screen as well. And if you want to delete any of these, you can go and do that. So now that we've gone and set this, in the future, we can go and use that same end screen, because I know quite often I set an end screen and I just use the same one. So I could come onto another video, for example, my first video here. I named it first video. We can come to end screen and wait, we can press import. And I could then go and select the one I did it on, which was this one here. And it's then going to allow me to go and use it. So once you've gotten set one end screen up, you can easily go and keep repeating it on other videos. So make sure you press save and it'll then go and be used. So that is it. That is how you can go and add the end screen. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more how-tos like this. We create them every single day. So I'm sure we're going to be able to go and help you out again.